I want to go to Tasmania just to see
Logan.
the platypus now.
Yeah.
What animals live in Australia?
Yeah.
What animals live in Australia?
Why is some kangaroos and purpose?
Yeah. What animals live in Africa?
What do you think it is, Mummy?
I know what
I
Mum
don't know.
thinks.
What do you think?
What animals live in Africa?
No, it's not Africa.
Okay, what about North America?
Yes.
What lives in North America?
Polar bear and grizzly bear and walruses and Statue of Liberty and the music out with Johnny Maca and macaw and a bald eagle and a diamondback rattlesnake.
A diamondback rattlesnake.
And alligator.
Oh, wow, good.
Right.
Now, what
And
about
alligator.
Africa?
Yeah.
What lives in Africa?
What's in Africa?
Lion and giraffe and llama camel and hippopotamus and an African elephant and a crocodile and zebras.
Wow.
Oh,
Now, what
very
about
good.
Europe?
Yeah.
What lives in Europe?
A big ben and a reindeer and a red fox and us.
Yeah, good.
Anything
And-
else lives in Europe? What else lives in Europe?
Where is it, Mommy?
What about South America?
Come here.
You want to use?
And here's all.